Meet Sarah and Josh. They've been married for 12 years and have 2 kids. They have a house, some modest savings, and are thinking more and more about their future. A few years ago, Sarah's mom, Nancy, passed, and though Nancy had drafted a will online, it wasn't very clear and the probate process nearly tore the family apart. 2 of Sarah's siblings were really upset, and one of them won't speak to anyone in the family anymore. Due to the stress of navigating the probate court, Sarah wasn't given time to grieve. She knows this is not what she wants for her children, so she knows she needs a different plan. Josh remembers hearing someone talk about wills and trusts on the radio, but they don't know where to start. Sarah's friend recommends the Gunderson Law Group. After a quick phone call, Sarah and Josh meet with one of the Gunderson attorneys, who sits down with them and listens to their goals and concerns. After a careful conversation, Sarah and Josh determine exactly what their family needs and work with the Gunderson Law Group to design a plan that fits their lifestyle. The plan addresses Sarah's concerns after dealing with the problems in her mom's estate. It also addresses several things they didn't even know they could be planning for already, like powers of attorney in case of a medical emergency, and making long-term care arrangements for their special needs daughter. Now, Sarah and Josh feel assured, knowing they established a plan before something catastrophic happened. They know their family is safe and their future is protected. They also know they can check back in with their new attorney periodically to update their plan as their family changes and grows.